What's up, dancers? This is the tutorial for Moviendo Caderas by Yandel. Let's get started. We're going to start with a clap around the world. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have a little step. Right together, left together, double, right. Left together, right together, double, left. Now the hands for that step is left hand across as the right hand goes over the head, 1, switch, 2, and then double to the right. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the chorus is kick, kick, double, kick, 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 double, kick. And the hands are right here in front, we're just pumping those arms. 1, 2, double, 1, 2, double. And the right foot is going to come forward, right, back here, and then arms go right, left, left. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next we have a push side to side. We go push, push, front, front, back, back. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, back, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're taking up. Shake, shake, shake. Clap, shake, 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 clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have a little elbow pull. We pull, jump, pull, jump. So facing you. Pull together, jump together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it starts from the beginning again, but single, single, double. 1 together, 3 together, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Front and back and arm, 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 arm. Now with those arms, the hips are going out, 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 out. You see I'm rolling from the toe to the heel, toe to the heel. Bump, 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 bump. Now we have a fun little breakdown. Arms go back, back, pump, pump. Back, back, pump, pump. 4 times, and then you add your own arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever arms you want there. 1, 2, pump, pump. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the middle, we're going back to that clap around the world. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all the sections. Let's put them together and dance it.